Hi, I'm Candy Sherwin. This tutorial is for a dance choreographed by Scott Blevins and Tim Johnson called Big Energy. It is an intermediate level 32 count dance with one restart, no tags. It goes to the Big Energy remix. And I'm going to turn my back to get started. That's Scully. He has just recently decided he wants to be on camera where I don't know why, but he's there. I don't know how long he'll last. So enjoy, won't you? And let's get started. All right, so moving forward, we're going to step right, left, turning a quarter to do ball cross with your right, left, ball cross, step forward again. Now you're going to turn a right quarter, step left, touch your right, and travel to your right, step cross, step cross. I'm going to walk through that again slowly with counts. It has a 1, 2 to your left, and 3, forward 4, 4 to your right, 5, tap 6, travel right, and 7 and 8. One time without stopping on that. We have 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, take your right toe, point it to the side, 1. First part of a Monterey turn, halfway around. 2, put all your weight on your right. Take your left foot into a side rock cross. Side rock cross. Step to the right, and you're going to follow your left shoulder doing a counterclockwise hip circle to face 6 o'clock. Roll the hips, 6, and then you're going to take a coaster step here, back, together, forward. Let's go over that because it's a lot of movement. You've done your touch, your step crossing here. The right foot goes point, turn and step, 2, side rock, 3 and 4. Step out, roll, 5, your hips come around, 6, coaster, back, together, forward. Again on that part, traveling to your right with your point, 7, 8, go point, step 2, side 3 and 4, out 5, roll at 6, go 7 and 8. I'm going to put those 2 8s together for you for the transition. Right foot's going to walk forward, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, and 3, step forward, step and tap, 6 and 7, point your right, go Monterey 2, 3 and 4, step 5, roll 6, coaster 7 and 8. You should be at 6 o'clock. Now traveling to 6 o'clock, you're going to take your right foot, we're going to do little bumps walking forward. So I'm going to tip my toe out and bump my hip forward, forward, back, step, and the left foot, forward and step. Okay? That's 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Half turn on your stepping with your right foot but turning left. Step right, step left, quarter turn, right, left, heel pop. I'm going to turn out different directions, but let's learn that again. The right foot comes forward, you're traveling to 6. It's a bump, bump and step, left foot, bump and step, half turn, right, left, and bump. With counts, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, step 5, 6 and 7 and 8. I wonder if it'll help if I do that on another angle. I'll see. We'll just do it this way so you can see it. So you've got 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and bump. Okay, back to the top, adding that on. 6, 7, 8, you have walk, 2, step, cross, step, take it out, tap and over and Monterey. 1, 2, 3 and 4, side hip roll coaster, 7, bump it out right, 1, 2, left, 3, half turn, 5, 6, right, left, and heel. Okay, so here you are, you're at 9 o'clock. Right foot's going to cross over, so you're going to travel towards your left. You're going to take a right and a left over there. Okay, so that's 1, 2. On 3 and 4, this is a little bit trickier. I have to do it in kind of quicker motion. 1, 2, it's a sailor step with a half turn with a cross. So you're going to go behind, step slightly out and back, and over. So it looks like this with the stepping. It goes right, left, cross. And you end up on your right foot. Okay, one more time. Right foot crosses over. 1, 2, behind and cross. Now you're going to go the other way, to your left. So you're going to step your left foot and turn a quarter and go forward, back. And this is a coaster step, back, together, forward. Now, the choreographer says it's a boogie coaster, so if you can, when you do back, together, forward, you can take a little back, together, forward. So it's a little more hip, 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 or just back, together, forward, if you can't quite boogie it. All right, let's go over that one again. I'm going to turn a different angle for that. So you have 1, 2, half turn, 3 and 4. Step to your left, forward, 5, step back, 6, and here's your boogie coaster, 7 and 8. I know, that's very tricky. We're going to go slowly from the top, okay? Very slowly. 6, 7, walk. 1, 2 and 3, forward step and tap it in. 6, travel. 7 and Monterey. Turn to your right. 3 and 4, roll to your left. Coaster 7, boogie bop. 1 and 2, 3, half turn, goes 5, 6 and 7 and 8, cross. 1, sailor turn, 3 and 4, turning left, coaster, let's go again. Go walk, walk to the left, right, left, tap, take it over, Monterey to 6 o'clock, 3 and 4, quarter turn, coaster step, little bop, and up, half turn, 5, 6, right, left, and pop, step, out, 12 o'clock, back, and 6 o'clock. Woo! Okay, so you might need to rewind that a few times, which I understand. There is a restart, and that happens at wall 7, and you dance 2 counts of 8. When you restart it, you'll be back at 12 o'clock. Because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so you'll be at 6 o'clock. You dance 2 counts of 8. So if I'm at 6, wall 7, I'm going to walk 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, first 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, roll 6, and I'm back to 12, and I do my beginning here. And that's where it starts again. Okay? All right, so we're going to give this a shot. And I don't know if all of you know this, but if you're watching this through YouTube and you go to your settings, you can adjust the speed. So if you don't know that, you go to your settings and there's a little thing that says speed, and you can bring it down a little bit so that if this is too fast or you really need to catch some footwork or whatnot, you can do that on here. Cool, right? Okay, let's try it with some music. Here we go.
This the remix. It's Miami in the house. It's Atlanta in the house. It's New York in the house.
It's Gully's in the house. Here we go, guys. 6, 5, 6, walk it out. On a 1, 2, and 3, 4, 7, tap. Cross it over. Monterey. Roll it out. Bump touch. Half turn. Pop. Sailor cross. 1, 2, and 3. Pop. 6 cross. 7 cross. 8 point. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rolling top. 6, 7, and 8. We bump. We bump. Half turn. And cross. And walk. Start again. Walk, 2 and 3, 5, 6 and 7, 8, we go. Roll it out. Bump it out. Half.
It's a new world. It's Lionel. It's Mariah. And looking at my wrist and it's a new watch. This the remix.
There we go. Big energy, fun line dance. I thank you guys so much for coming to my channel to watch. If you are not a subscriber, please become one. Feel free to share this video as much as you like. Make comments, tell people about it. Check out my other videos while you're there. And if you have any questions, reach out to me. This is Scully. This is me saying see you on the dance floor. Thank you.